Hi guys, what do you do when you cook food and people despise your cooking? I cooked this rice. I've just cooked this rice, guys, and this rice here, look, this is rice. This is brown. This is brown rice. Let me see whether you are seeing it. I just cooked this brown rice here. Look. This is brown rice that I've just cooked for my people. Very good looking, guys. Are you seeing the way this rice is? Hey, let me tell you guys, this is meat. This is beef that I just served with the rice. You see that beef, the way it looks nice? And this is the rice that I cooked. I cooked this rice, guys. Oh, sorry for the noise. Let me show you nicely. Let me put it here so you can see it. That rice, you see it? I cooked it, guys, and it was not appreciated. This is brown rice. It is brown rice, and I don't know why it can't cook, guys. I cooked this rice for a whole 1 hour. How can you cook rice for a whole 1 hour? Boiling. I boiled and boiled and boiled this rice, guys. It did not even cook. It didn't cook. Now, hey guys, have you ever served somebody food and he tells you, please take this food away, it is uncooked? That is what happened. I was told to take it away, it is uncooked. Guys, no. How can I go through a whole hour of cooking and food is told, I'm told that food is uncooked? Guys, have you ever cooked brown rice? Were you frustrated like I am? I'm so frustrated. I don't know whether to continue boiling this food because he never touched it. It was tasting uncooked, and I was told to take it away, guys. Now, you know, there comes a time when you are told something, and instead of getting annoyed, I just kept quiet. Look, guys, what do I do? This is uncooked food. How do you serve people uncooked food? And this food, I'd cooked it for a whole 1 hour. I've cooked this rice for a whole 1 hour. Now, it is uncooked. What do I do? What do I do? Now, guys, I've taken it away. And I've put it back in the cooking pot. So I don't know if to boil it again. What do you suggest I do, guys? I don't know whether to boil it again or to just leave it at that. I do not know what to do. I do not know what to do. Because when you cook food, you want to cook and serve people so they can enjoy a meal. But people stay hungry when you have been cooking in the kitchen for a whole 1 hour. I've been in this kitchen for a whole 1 hour. Okay, brown rice is not my cup of tea. I actually don't like preparing brown rice. But it happened that I was asked to cook brown rice for them because that's what they wanted to eat. So guys, here I am taking my plate. I've eaten mine. As you can see, mine is finished. But I didn't enjoy it. Let me be frank. I didn't enjoy this rice. I just ate it because I didn't have chicken otherwise. It's me who cooked it. So as much as it didn't cook well, I wanted to eat so that I don't show somebody that it is as bad as they were saying. I was trying to console myself. And that was the outcome, guys. I cooked food that was not appreciated. It was hated. And I do not know what to do. But guys, let us discuss something here. Let us just discuss something here. Let me ask you guys, is there a way that somebody can maybe behave if things don't work very well? You know, these days we are going to be wearing masks. The situation is bad again. COVID is here with us again, guys. Let us discuss something before I end this video. Have you ever done something so willingly, like I did when I was cooking this rice, and it didn't turn out well? And then the way you are dressed about that thing that you did, you know, there is a way that you may not appreciate something that is done by somebody, but you use some softer language. It's only that I don't put anything in my heart. Otherwise, if somebody says remove this food from here, I can't enjoy it. It's uncooked. It's uncooked. Remove it from here. And he has not even tasted twice. They have not even tasted twice. And they said it is uncooked. And there I was, pambanaling with mine. I ate mine. I could tell that it is not very soft. It is the hard rice because it is the brown rice. But I pambaned with my hari. Nilipambana na hari yangu. Yani I had to struggle to eat that food. But anyway, I finished mine. And they were not amused. They told me to just remove that food from there. And the expression on the face was not very good. It's like I served an uncooked meal to them and they were not very amused. So guys, I kinda refused to remove the food from the table, and after a few minutes I was told, I thought I asked you to remove this food from here because I'm not going to eat uncooked food in this house. So guys, woo, what do you do? This is now 3 o'clock. Obviously, when the food was cooking, these people were hungry because they were kept on asking, hey, and when is this food coming? Now here I bring the food, they're not going to eat. What are they going to do? And this is 3 o'clock. Are you telling me, guys, that I should have gone back to the kitchen and started making another meal? Are you telling me so? Because I had already served this rice. Or should I have put in water in the rice and started boiling it again? I don't know. So I just removed the food. I took it back to the kitchen and I ate mine, finished, and here I am. What would you do if it were you? I have not done anything about sorting out the problem of, what to give them next. But here I am, wondering what I will do because it is at 3. And they're hungry. They have gone upstairs. And I am here. Guys, advise me on what to do. Do I start cooking ugali? Ugali is the easiest meal to cook. But I'll need the veggies, which I do not have. Okay, I have the meat. I showed you just now in the kitchen. I have some beef that is ready. I do not have any veggies. Do I start cooking ugali and veggies at 3? Guys, let me show you the time. Let me show you the time. Let me show you the time, guys. See the time? Are you seeing the time? Are you seeing the time? That is 12 minutes past 3. What do I do? Do I cook this hour? Gosh, why am I asking you? Or should I even get going and do something? Because a hungry person is an angry person. A hungry person is an angry person. And these people are hungry, guys, because you know the smell of rice when it was cooking. I could tell they are hungry because they kept saying, "Hey, and this food is taking so long." And now I brought it here. They said it is uncooked. Guys, I will always laugh about everything because this life is never too serious. I told you guys in another video, life is never that serious. Do not take it so seriously. No, you will die and leave people walking and moving around. So me, I just laugh at everything and I just say, wow, is that the situation? I just laugh. I'm just laughing, but I don't know what to do because when somebody doesn't eat and they go upstairs, you don't know what they're thinking. Guys, if it were you, what would you do? Write in the comment section and advise me, guys. And again, before I continue wasting time here doing this video, let me just step out and get doing something. Like, subscribe, guys. We agreed to subscribe. We agreed to subscribe. To subscribe to this channel. We agreed yesterday and the day before that we shall subscribe. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, we agreed that we are family and you are going to subscribe to this channel. So please do subscribe and see you in the next video. Let me go and see what people can eat. Bye bye. Love you.